Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Madam Hanita Haiza. My name is Hawada Kistina binti Shahrul Azam and I am going to explain the background of the company that we have chosen, which is TGV Cinemas. TGV Cinemas was first established in 1995. It has 37 locations throughout Malaysia, including large shopping malls with 295 screens and more than 50,000 seats. TGV Cinemas offer a wide variety of content such as new blockbusters, intimate dramas, documentaries, sports, and actions. Other than that, TGV Cinemas also offers a consistency of flavorful food and drinks, including the greatest popcorn in town. TGV Cinemas has also provided its own mobile application that can be downloaded by everyone on Google Play Store and Apple App Store.
TGV Cinemas mobile application has been serving their loyal customers for a long time, and there are countless advantages users can derive from it. However, there are downsides for every application software after operating it for years. The first problem of the TGV Cinemas application can be found in its payment gateway process. The application will lag and crash whenever users enter the payment gateway. The necessary step after users chose their desired seats and tickets for their movie would be paying for their tickets, and users found the application will crash during their payment, and this interferes with their payment transaction. Secondly, the TGV Cinemas mobile application has trouble connecting to the internet even though the user's connections are stable. Due to its inability to connect to the internet, the screen of the application will appear blank when users tries to log in and continuously receive a connection timeout. Lastly, whenever the TGV Cinemas updates its mobile application, it easily crashes due to its incompatibility with certain phone models. Each phone has its own operating system, and TGV Cinemas is unable to create its own mobile application that meets the requirement of a particular operating system. What this indicates is that TGV Cinemas must understand that every platform requires a separate app version, such as Android, iOS, or Windows.
Based on the problems mentioned before, we have come up with solutions. There are 3 solutions proposed to the problems. The first solution is providing safe and secure transactions by offering better payment option, which is the TGV Pay. TGV Pay offers a better payment option as users will not have to log into their respective banks and pay for their tickets. This will help in reducing the possibility application crashing and lagging. The second solution is by outsourcing developers to ensure the system of the application runs smoothly. This is to help with the problem of the difficulty for the TGV mobile application to connect to the internet. By outsourcing, we will be able to construct cutting-edge solutions in the newest technologies without having to master them ourselves. Lastly is by using cross-platform application in which mobile applications are developed to function in multiple mobile platforms. Whenever new updates are released, all operating systems such as iOS and Android will be updated at the same time. The ability to run in all operating systems simultaneously will save costs and decrease development time.
Hi, my name is Mr. Iqmal. Now I will briefly explain about what to propose system input. So in TGV Pay, we have additional option for payment method. Firstly, one of example form input is the TGV Pay form for TGV administrative and additional option in payment method. To book a ticket from TGV application system, you should follow step by step. For the first step, you can choose what payment method to use when you check out your ticket. There are several methods, which is debit and credit card, Maybank to you, online banking, and cash payment at retail stores such as cash payment at 7-Eleven and cash payment at KK Mart. For the debit and credit section, you need to fill up your card detail like card name, card number, card type such as Visa, MasterCard or American Express, expiry date of the card, and your card CVV. All your card details are protected as stated in our privacy policy, and also we partner with CyberSource, our authorized party, to ensure that all your card details are kept safe and secure. TGV will not will not have access to your card information. Additional information, only one debit and credit card can be registered in one particular account. If you have more than one TGV account, you need to remove the previous card to register the same card in the new TGV account. Second features, we include daily limit transaction. These features benefit to store your money when you top up and your refund, which can be used to pay your next ticket purchase via TGV website and TGV application. For regular TGV membership, the daily limit transaction was 500. Meanwhile, for the TGV Plus membership, the daily limit was 1,500. Additional information, for the TGV Plus membership, it will have a discount offer in the eShop section when purchasing any action figure or movie merchandise up to 70%. Also 30% off for theatre hall, start with standard hall until TGV large hall. For regular customer, only 20% off when purchasing a ticket and food set, 10% discount in selected theatre hall with standard hall and IMAX hall only. Other features we include is cash on delivery payment method for delivery our food and beverage. The food and beverage section, the newest update we include is additional payment method, which is cash on delivery for customer who crave our popcorn and other menu that we can deliver to your place. This payment method is also eligible for customers who love to collect our mini figure and other merchandise for the newest release. For the cash on delivery payment method, the customer must choose what food they want, the size and the quantity, then repeat the same step for beverage selection. Then, when it's done, before proceed to the payment section, customer need to identify which area that our cash on delivery service we cover and available to deliver. The customer need to fill up their address and mobile number. For food and beverage delivery, we use our food delivery services that can be found in our TGV application. This to ensure that our customer can buy our food, especially our crunchy and butter popcorn. For our eShop section, we include cash on delivery payment method for our official movie merchandise and mini figure that can be purchased exclusive in TGV mobile application. First, if a customer want our merchandise, we need your details such as address, state and mobile number. The area that we cover for COD is only in Klang Valley and selected Kuala Lumpur area. We use Lalamove and Bungkus Seat services for COD area. If our customer is outside our COD cover area, don't worry, we also do postage with COD method services and additional charge for the West Malaysia area. For this service, we use shipping services that do COD method with DHL Commerce, JNT Express and Ninja Van Courier. Note to all customers, the amount payable will be rounded to the nearest 5 cents and additional charge if the parcel more than 1 kg, according to which courier that be selected. Different courier service have different amount of charge. Please read and be aware about the additional charge.
Okay, now I will be explain about the proposed report output for TGV Pay. The first output for this system is to send a pop-up notification for each transaction. Administrator can send pop-up notification for each transaction made by a customer. The system can tell a customer about the transaction he made using his TGV account from time to time. The second output of this system is the newsletter. Administrator can send notification for upcoming movie or promotion with TGV Pay app. This new system can increase marketing sales at TGV Cinema, and we can say free marketing for movie screen in TGV Cinema. The third output for this system is receive coin and more secure. The benefit for public user is that the system is fast and secure, as app TGV Pay use a new system safety to provide more secure system. In addition, every time a customer buy a ticket using TGV Pay, he will get a benefit such as being able to random coin when he paying for a ticket. He can random coin of the payment amount he does, and the percent coins depend on the ticket price. The final output for this system is easy to use because the system is not complex. TGV has upgraded this system to be a more user-friendly system and not quickly stuck when using it. This new TGV Pay application provides an enough and easy to understand usage guide for the customer who want to use it.
I am Norshaza binti Ismail and I will be presenting the comparisons of TGV Cinema's application between current system versus new system. On TGV Cinema's current system, there are 4 problems have been occurred. The first one is slow process on the payment transactions, whereby the application always lag and crash whenever the users enter the payment gateway. Next, the TGV Cinema's application system always find out errors and crashes due to heavy traffic of online users. Besides that, only certain mobile operating, which are iOS or Android devices, are compatible in receiving new updates from TGV Cinema's application system. Last but not least, in order for users to get notification from the TGV Cinema's application, they need to provide personal information such as phone number or email address. However, we from TGV Cinema's company, we take the issue seriously. Therefore, we have made some improvement in our application system by adding a new feature on our payment section that called as TGV Pay. The function of TGV Pay is to enable the users to do transactions conveniently with TGV Cinema's application by linking your credit or debit card or online banking with TGV Pay, or you can make a cash on delivery. On top of that, you can also top up your TGV Pay by making a cash payment at any convenience store such as 7-Eleven or KK Mart. Next, in order to enable the system to run fast and smoothly at any time, we at TGV Cinema's company will upgrade our old system server to a new one by changing from the old developer to a new developer. Furthermore, as many users complained that they did not receive any new updates and promotion from us due to incompatible of mobile operating, so we will make sure that our developer will always update the system every month for both mobile operating, which are in iOS and Android devices, to maintain and increase the system service. Lastly, the user will receive a pop-up notification from TGV Cinema's application for any updates if the users allow notification on their mobile phone or desktop web browser settings.
Next, let me proceed with the interface of the prototype of payment method in using TGV Pay system. As you can see, the users need to choose the payment method. The users is preferable to choose TGV Pay payment method. Then, the user can proceed to click Pay Now. Next, insert their security PIN number to proceed with the payment. However, if the balance is not enough, others interface will be pop up. There are 2 ways in order to top up the TGV Pay. First is through online banking. The auto top up is optional. The users can always choose one-time top up by selecting the amount or type the amount. Then, click online banking to choose the name of the bank that the users want to proceed, and it will be redirected for the next step. Therefore, there will be interface to insert the security PIN number to proceed for the next process. Second ways are using cash payment method at convenience store. The user can type the exact amount, for example, 16 ringgit and 50 cents as the price of the ticket. Next, click Cash Payment Convenience Store to choose either 7-Eleven or KK Mart. Click the store and QR code will be appear for the cashier at the convenience store to scan and accept the cash payment. There will be no security PIN number for this way since the money are in cash. Last is the prototype of the reference ticket. The users will receive this and no need to print out, only bring to the counter for the scan the barcode and ready to enter the cinema. Thank you.